Hello everyone. Let's talk about breathing new life into older systems. Today we're looking at the GIGASTONE 64GB DDR3 RAM kit. This kit comes with 8 8GB sticks running at 1600 MHz, also known as PC3-12800. It's also backward compatible with 1333 MHz PC3-10600 systems. This memory is unbuffered, non-ECC UDIM, with 240 pins and operates at a CL11 latency. What's interesting is its dual voltage support, running at either 1.35V or 1.5V, offering flexibility for different system requirements. The GIGASTONE kit is designed as a desktop memory upgrade. If you're running an older system that maxes out at 8GB, 16GB, or even 32GB, and you're finding yourself constantly bumping against memory limits, especially when multitasking or running memory-intensive applications, this 64GB kit could be a game changer. Compatibility is key, and GIGASTONE aims for broad compatibility with common desktop PCs. Of course, it's always crucial to check your motherboard specifications to ensure it supports 8GB sticks and the total 64GB capacity. For users clinging to their trusty DDR3 base systems, finding a high-capacity, reliable kit can be a challenge. GIGASTONE offers a solution to extend the lifespan and improve the performance of these machines. It's a cost-effective way to avoid a complete system overhaul, especially if the existing CPU and other components are still meeting your needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.